think it's working. Ok. Credo proprio di stare registrando, anche se non usiamo quell'app di... Also, even if you don't use the Google Meet app, we can record. So we're going through Mentimeter, and for quizzes, I just to show you that's the interface. So and of course you have to submit if you aren't. Into if you aren't logged in, if you haven't logged in yet. Okay, I am. So I'm just going to my presentations, right? Otherwise, if it's the first time you're using the app, okay, and I can show you anyway. Okay, Mentimeter, that's here. Interactive presentation software is the first one. Okay, and here you have seen before the sign up. So you have to do the sign up if you haven't signed up yet. Now let's go to, instead in my case, let's go to my presentation. Okay, and here we are. These are the presentations and the quizzes I have done. Okay, and for I always use this up when for my training, for the teachers training or for students. As you can see, there are many different questionnaires already prepared and ready. Now we're looking for creating a new presentation. So I click on the button New Presentation, and first of all I have to give a name. So this is a presentation name. In this case, let's call it Includi. Okay, first presentation or first quiz, as you like, and I click on Create. Okay, the platform is working now, and here we are. Okay, on the left we've got the possibility of adding new slides or importing slides that you already have. But we have to be careful, because whenever you find this star here in green, it means that that particular activity is used only on the premium accounts. So only on the accounts that you have to pay for. So we can't use it for free. The slide on the right, you have the possibility of choosing different slides. Okay, different kinds of slide. First one, if you want to use a slide and ask for a multiple choice question, then you got the possibility of making the students create a word cloud, okay, and asking questions. Open-ended question that will be displayed on your screen, that everybody can have a look at. That's the scales. So there is a sort of list on how important you consider a subject or a topic or whatever. Ranking, also the same. What do you think it comes first, or is your favorite and goes on to the first place, second place, and third place? And here, question and answer. Okay, so you have the possibility for students to ask you a question and you can answer. Okay, here you have the two possibilities. So you've got a quizzes competition if you want to choose the one for the students, and here the answer, okay, typing. And then there is the possibility of adding some slides with a content. Okay, so we can alternate sliding with content or images or videos and question. Okay, if you go with your mouse on the slide, you will see what will appear on your presentation. So if I decide to start with the I don't know, with a picture, I can click picture, okay, and here, okay, we've got a slide with the picture. I can choose to add a caption to the picture. I can choose whether to put the picture in the center of the slide, on the right or on the left of the slide, or to use the picture as a background, for example, okay. And here at the top, okay, there is I can of course go back to the different type of slides, to the content or the customization. Okay, I can choose the different settings. Okay, but first of all, the most important thing is to prepare the presentation. Then let's go to here we've got some advanced questions also. Okay, so that's used, these are commonly used when I decided to change my quiz in a quiz competition, okay, which I've never used. And here at the top right, I can find some example slides. Okay. I can decide to add these example slides to my presentation if I need them. Okay. These are sort of, here we are, these are sort of template. If I want to switch between one slide and the other, the important is that the thing I have to do is to press the button and to click and press and to drag the slide. Okay, that's only this way. Okay, let's try to create one. So a multiple choice slide, for example. Here it shows, no, let's try to create a new one. Okay. All right, so multiple choice question. Okay, here it's a multiple choice. Here are the questions I can add. So, for example, let's ask this question. What do you think of the Includi project? Okay, okay, we can choose the different options. Good, quite good, bad. Okay, right. We can write here, red word bad. Okay. I can choose an image to display, picking it up from the image library, okay, or using another upload, okay. For example, if I think we can choose this one, okay, anyway, okay, I can choose to fit in a different format, for example, free form or square. And here is the blank for the credits. So if I pick up the image somewhere and I want to write, to add the credits in. Okay, okay, here we are. And now, so we have created our first slide. Okay, what do I do if I want to, here the image is missing, So I create the image in the same way, so I can drag and drop. I can also upload the picture, okay. If I click here, okay, it goes directly to my downloads, and I can choose a picture which I've already had in my computer. Now I'll try to find one. Let's see if the recent give me something interesting. Okay, here we are, Christmas picture. Okay, that's right. Here always to say the source is my picture. All right, here we are, and here is the picture. So now our presentation is ready. What can I do? The presentation is always, as you can see, is saved. So I don't have to save it because the saving is automatically done. Now I can choose to present, okay, my presentation, and if I click on present, here at the top it says go to www.menti.com and use the code 11317381, or okay, I can click here, copy link, and if I go to another page and I insert the link that I've copied, okay, that's our presentation, okay. So the students immediately go to the presentation, and here we can see the what our students are going to watch. Now, if I'm going a little bit back, okay, just going back because this is the voting. Okay, there is another important step, which is the share. Okay, in the share, I can. Uh, I can't invite collaborator because that's a premium facility. Okay, but I can. Who can join and vote on this presentation? Anyone with the link, the code, or the QR. So that's right. If I want, I can copy the link for my student or download the QR code. So this is the QR code. If the students is very easy to be used, so that's a good choice. If I go with my mobile and click on the code, the students, I can immediately go as a student to the presentation, okay, and they can share with me, and that's a good way to um, to use and to give them a QR code, because it's far easier to catch the QR code through their mobiles and immediately, and they will immediately enter the presentation. Okay, and this is instead a presentation sharing. Okay, that's instead to know the live result. Okay, if I want to share the results, I can copy the link and go to the link, and I will share the result. Okay, I think that is almost everything that it's important to know about Mentimeter. So we can stop here the video, and if you got any questions, you can ask me about.